When you embark on the journey of intermittent fasting, some changes occur within your body, leading to numerous benefits. It is my pleasure to guide you through these transformations and shed some light on the power of this process. To begin, let's explore how your body responds when you start intermittent fasting. Initially, your body relies on glycogen, a stored form of glucose found in your liver and your muscles, for energy. However, as these glycogen reserves are depleted, a remarkable shift takes place. Your body starts tapping into alternative fuel source, such as fat, through a process known as fat burning. Over time, this fat burning leads to weight loss and a slimmer, healthier you. But weight loss is just the beginning. Intermittent fasting also plays a significant role in regulating insulin levels. By embracing regular fasting periods, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, resulting in improved insulin sensitivity. This in turn stabilizes blood sugar levels and prevents insulin resistance, which is often associated with weight gain and diabetes. The impact of fasting goes beyond insulin regulation. It influences several hormones within our bodies, creating a cascade of positive effects. For instance, growth hormone levels increase during fasting, facilitating fat breakdown and preserving muscle mass. Simultaneously, insulin levels decrease, allowing fat to become more accessible as an energy source. Additionally, fasting boosts the levels of norepinephrine, a hormone known to enhance metabolism. Let's delve into three key benefits of intermittent fasting. Firstly, there is autophagy, a remarkable process that occurs when you fast. During autophagy, your body initiates a breakdown and recycling of damaged cells and cellular components. This cellular cleansing process holds tremendous potential for enhancing your overall metabolic function and fostering various health benefits. Secondly, intermittent fasting plays a crucial role in appetite regulation. By engaging in fasting, you can regulate hunger hormones such as ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating appetite, decreases during fasting, thereby reducing feelings of hunger and assisting in controlling calorie intake. Thirdly, during prolonged fasting periods or when following specific fasting protocols like the ketogenic diet, your body enters a state called ketosis. In this state, the liver produces ketones from stored fat, providing an alternate fuel source for both your brain and your body. Increased ketone production can bring about numerous benefits for your health. Well, while intermittent fasting can be an effective weight loss strategy for many individuals, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before embarking on any new dietary regimen. They possesses the expertise to provide personalized guidance and ensure that fasting aligns with your unique health needs and goals. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It is an eating pattern characterized by cycling between periods of fasting and eating. This approach has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and effectiveness in weight management. The underlying principle is to restrict the time window in which you consume your meals, typically by extending the fast period between dinner and breakfast. Let's explore a few common methods of intermittent fasting. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating window to 8 hours each day. For example, you might choose to eat your meals between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Another method, 5-2 diet, entails eating normally for 5 days of the week and significantly reducing calorie intake on the remaining non-consecutive days. Usually it is around 500 to 600 calories. Then we have this eat, stop eat, which involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For instance, you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and not again until 7 p.m. the following day. Fourth one will be alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, involves fasting every other day. On fasting days, you either completely refrain from eating or consume a limited number of calories, usually around 500 or 600 calories. It's also important to remember that intermittent fasting is not a magical solution for weight loss or a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. To achieve optimal results, it should be combined with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a well-rounded diet. In conclusion, intermittent fasting offers a compelling approach to weight loss and overall health. By harnessing the power of fasting and allowing your body to tap into its natural mechanism, you can unlock a host of benefits, from shedding excess weight to enhancing metabolic function and improving insulin sensitivity. Embrace intermittent fasting as a tool in your journey towards a healthier and more vibrant life. So, thank you for today. If you like my material, please hit this like button and subscribe for more.